本節目由 SF Happy Free 和 Peninsula Healthcare District 贊助播出。各位觀眾，歡迎大家收睇名人會客廳，我係 Mina 李適平。咁喺今日名人會客廳嘅慶祝亞裔傳統月專輯裏面呢，我哋會同大家探討呢個月干嘅重要性。咁喺我身邊呢，就有兩位專家，第一位呢，就係呢個 Stanford 嘅教授，佢同時呢，亦都係亞裔肝臟中心嘅創辦人 Dr. Samuel So。咁另外一位呢，就係SF Happy Free 嘅行政主任Richard So。咁其實咧，佢哋今日咧就係父子檔嚟嘅。Hello， 兩位好。
Hello, Mina.
So first we will start with Richard. Richard, could you please tell us about SF Happy Free? What do you do?
Yes, absolutely. So we are a nonprofit that serves mostly the Asian immigrant and Asian American community, and we're really here to teach everyone about hepatitis B and the liver cancer it causes. We do free screening in the community, so you may have seen us in Chinatown or in the Sunset. And we also work with health systems and local and state government to promote better care around hepatitis B, trying to get doctors to screen more on hepatitis B, to promote vaccination, and really just make it easier to be linked to care and get people the attention they need, especially in the right languages and the right cultural sensitivity.
咁啊 Richard 咧頭先咧就提到咧就係呢個SF Happy Free 咧，其實咧佢就係一個 advocacy group。咁其實佢咧就提倡等大家咧就更加認識，亦都教育大家明白呢個乙肝嘅嚴重性。咁同時咧就當然咧佢哋咧亦都會提供好多唔同嘅語言啦，同埋咧就會提供檢測咧俾呢個社區人士嘅。咁佢哋所服務嘅群體咧就唔單止係華裔，咁亦都咧就包括三藩市好多亞裔嘅族群。咁啊呢度咧我咧就想翻嚟呢個 Dr. So 啦。咁 Dr. So 其實呢個 SF Happy Free 咧就當其時你都係創辦人之一嘅。咁當其時點解？因為你本身已經有一個亞裔肝臟中心啦，點解又要創辦呢個 SF Happy Free 咧？
係因為我哋1996年就創辦咗亞裔肝臟中心喺史丹福大學啦。咁然後2000年咧，我哋就推行咗一個翡翠絲帶活動，即係用呢個綠色同埋呢個絲帶咧接成好似人字，咁提醒個尤其是亞裔啊中國人咧，記得做一次乙肝檢查，因為係乙肝係令至肝癌啊、肝硬化最即係普遍嘅原因。咁點解創辦個 Happy Free 咧？因為咧，我有一次喺華盛頓咧聽佢嗰個市長咧就話：應該全部喺華盛頓區所有人應該做一次愛滋病檢查。咁我話因為我哋三藩市咁多亞裔，即係差唔多10個有一個有乙肝嘅，咁我咪翻嚟就同三藩市政府啊、Fiona 媽啊、同埋即係有個 non-profit Asia Week Foundation， 我哋話不如發揮一個活動 Happy Free 活動，即係我哋個終點咧就係所有喺三藩市嗰啲人咧，即係亞裔啊，都應該做一次乙肝檢查。
其實就唔單止淨係三藩市，包括成個灣區，甚至成個加州都需要啦嚇。
我哋嗰陣時就話，we want to 即係希望三藩市變咗全美國第一個城市，即係所有市民都做過乙肝檢查。
So Richard, could you please tell us? So I know this is an advocacy group. So what is the progress like? What have you achieved all these years?
Yeah. So since the founding in 2007, we've screened hundreds of thousands of patients with our partners, often in the community, like Chinese Hospital, like Northeast Medical Services, but also just at health fairs by ourselves. we've educated millions of Bay Area residents through radio, TV channels like KTSF, and tried to drive people to do more screening and get more vaccinated. We've also educated thousands of physicians to make sure they're asking patients. More recently, we had 2 great successes working with the Asian Liver Center. We helped pass AB 789, which was a law that required primary care physicians to offer a hepatitis B and hepatitis C test in the primary care setting. And then also a couple years ago, we successfully lobbied the California state legislature to allocate the first ever money towards adult hepatitis B community work. It was $8 million over 3 years, and we're still being able to use that money today for the work we do in the community. So everything from the grassroots to kind of big policy stuff.
Very good. Let me summarize in Chinese. 咁頭先Richard 咧就提到啦，就佢哋咧經過佢哋嘅努力同埋同呢個 Stanford 嘅亞裔肝臟中心合作之後咧，就因為肝臟中心咧其實佢哋就提交嗰啲研究嘅嗰啲數據啦。咁跟住咧佢哋咧就係同嗰個政府咧就係倡導啦，咁就即係因為咁嘅樣咧，就結果咧就喺2022年咧就通過咗呢個 AB 789提案。咁而呢個提案咧就規定咧就係所有嗰啲家庭醫生咧就必須要俾嗰啲病人咧就提供呢個乙肝嘅檢查。咁如果發現呢個人呈現個陽性嘅話咧，就要俾佢即係一定嘅醫治啦同埋治療方案嘅。咁即係我哋講咗咁多啦，就係呢個乙肝啊，就其實有啲朋友可能都唔係好明到底係咩咧。其實都有分好多噶嘛，有咩甲肝、乙肝、丙肝嚇。係，
因為乙肝係一個病毒，就即係亞太裔咧個人口咧好多咧就因為細佬哥嗰陣時咧，佢細佬哥嗰陣時冇乙肝疫苗啊，咁好多咧細佬哥即係一到都唔夠5歲大咧，已經感染到呢個乙肝嘅病毒。點解咧？因為如果媽媽咧係帶菌者咧，即係嗰陣時一出世咧冇打過乙肝疫苗咧，就好大機會變咗終身一個慢性乙肝感染者。咁即係個危險性咧就係20-40年後咧，嗰啲乙肝帶菌者咧可以變成有肝硬化同埋肝癌，所以喺中國咧。呢個係一個大嘅問題。咁除咗係媽媽感染到即係初生嬰兒咧，另外一個方法咧就係即係血液染污。即係以前咧細佬哥，你同我長大嗰陣時咧，都冇一次過嗰啲針筒㗎嘛。係啊，佢嗰啲玻璃針管咧，係啊，同埋佢就咁消毒。係啊，消毒。如果佢做得唔好咧，如果咁可以嗰個病毒由一個病人傳染俾另外一個，咁同埋你好多時你好多中國咧唔舒服又同你吊鹽水，唔知吊乜嘢㗎嘛？哦，亦都係嗰啲 share 嗰啲針筒，如果同埋嗰啲管啊消毒得唔好，咁你又可以中咗招。咁個危險性咧就係可以即係到你成年人嗰陣時咧。你可以變成肝硬化、肝癌，但係就即係同甲肝唔同，甲肝咧就食即係飲食嗰陣時咧，嗰啲食物啊、水啊，又即係有糞便啊染污咗，咁就可以有甲肝，但係甲肝咧就唔會變成肝硬化、肝癌。哦，係乙肝先會嘅嚇。即係中國人嚟講咧，所以各位即係觀眾。記得做一次乙肝檢查，只要做一次啫，唔係膽固醇咁，你唔需要再做嘅多過一次。如果一次咧檢查到咧你冇即係有乙肝咧，咁記得你有冇即係病徵都好，記得要定期檢查，同埋睇下需唔需要食抗病毒藥物。如果你檢查係陰性咧，就 睇下你需唔需要打乙肝疫苗。
係，我哋多謝晒 Dr. So 同埋Richard。咁咧就我哋而家進入一段廣告之後咧，會同大家講下，咁一般華人社區咧到目前為止對呢個乙肝有啲咩誤解咧？我哋一間見。